If you're looking to add images to your Proof pop-ups, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to enhance your pop-up design with images, making them more engaging and persuasive. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a special tip on how to take your pop-ups to the next level, making them not only more visually appealing, but more effective in converting visitors. First things first, let's get into the Proof platform. Proof is a powerful tool that helps you build social proof pop-ups that convert, showing real-time activity and user actions on your site. You can add images to your Proof pop-ups to create a more personalized experience. And it's super easy once you know how to navigate the platform. To start, log into your Proof dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can use this software completely free by clicking the link below and accessing an exclusive trial where you'll also get some amazing bonuses. Once you're in, head over to your pop-ups section. You'll see a list of all the active pop-ups you've created so far. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new one by clicking Create Pop-up. It's quick. Now select the pop-up where you'd like to add an image. For example, you might want to add a product image or a logo to increase credibility. Once you're in the editor, look for the area where you want to insert the image. It could be in the headline body or even a special call to action button. To add an image, simply drag and drop an image element into the section where you want it to appear. From here, you can upload your image directly or use an image URL. The platform makes it easy to adjust the size and placement to make sure the image fits perfectly with your design. If you're looking to add a bit more flair, you can use Proof's image editing features, like adjusting opacity or adding shadows to make the image pop even more. This is especially effective when you want the image to grab attention without being too overpowering. A pro tip here, make sure your images align with the message of the pop-up. If you're promoting a product, use a clear, high-quality image that speaks to your audience. If you're showing testimonials or social proof, use a customer photo or a screenshot of a positive review to make the pop-up feel more authentic. Also, remember to test how your pop-ups look on mobile. A lot of users browse on their phones, and Proof lets you preview how your pop-up will look on different screen sizes. Adjust accordingly so that your images don't look stretched or cropped. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and publish your changes. You'll start seeing those images appear in your pop-ups, helping you increase conversions by making them more visually appealing. But here's the bonus tip I promised. Make your pop-ups even more effective by using A/B testing. Proof allows you to create different variations of your pop-up with different images and messages. This helps you determine what resonates best with your audience, improving your results over time. Remember, you can get started completely free with the exclusive trial link below. You'll get access to all the features I just mentioned, plus some cool bonuses to make your digital marketing efforts even more powerful. In summary, adding images to Proof pop-ups is a straightforward process, and with a few simple tweaks, you can turn your pop-ups into powerful conversion tools. Make sure to optimize your designs for both desktop and mobile views, and don't forget to test different variations. So go ahead, try it out for free today and take your pop-ups and your conversions to the next level.